Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download NissanConnect Pro Pilot EV Preheating Tips, Beginner Guides. To download the NissanConnect Pro Pilot EV Preheating feature, start by ensuring that your smartphone has the NissanConnect app installed. If you haven't done so yet, visit your device's app store and search for NissanConnect. Once you've located the app, tap Download to install it on your phone. After the installation is complete, open the NissanConnect app. Sign in to your account using your credentials or create a new account if you're a first-time user. Navigate to the home screen of the app after signing in. Look for the Thermal Preconditioning option within the app. Tap on the Thermal Preconditioning feature to access its settings. You will now see options for scheduling your vehicle's preheating. Select your desired time for the vehicle to start preheating. Make sure that your vehicle is plugged into a power source for optimal performance during preheating. Confirm your settings by tapping the Save or Confirm button. You can set multiple preheating schedules if needed. To monitor your vehicle's preheating status, return to the home screen of the app. Check the Notifications or Alerts section to see if the preheating feature is activated. If you have any problems, consult the app's help section or your vehicle's user manual for troubleshooting tips. Once everything is set up, enjoy the convenience of your preheated Nissan EV every time you start your journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.